Shallot is what happens when onion grows up and learns restraint. It belongs to the Allium family, alongside onions, garlic, leeks, and scallions, but it plays a different role. Shallots are not designed to dominate a dish. They are designed to refine it. Botanically, shallots are classified as Allium var. Aggregatum. Unlike common onions, which grow as single bulbs, shallots form clusters of smaller bulbs, similar to garlic. This clustered growth already hints at the culinary personality, layered, nuanced, and deliberate. Shallots originated in Central and Western Asia and spread into Europe through trade routes and early agriculture. They became deeply embedded in French and Southeast Asian cuisines, two food cultures that value balance over blunt force. Visually, shallots are slender and elongated, with coppery, reddish-brown skins and pale purple flesh. This color alone signals something different. They look quieter than onions, more elegant, less industrial. Flavor is where shallots truly separate themselves. Raw shallots are aromatic but not harsh. They carry a gentle sweetness with mild sulfur notes, lacking the aggressive bite of raw onion. Cooked, they become deeply sweet, rounded, and almost buttery. Heat transforms shallots gracefully. Slow sauté draws out sugars. Roasting intensifies sweetness without bitterness. Even frying produces crisp, sweet fragments rather than sharp, burning notes. This makes shallots ideal for applications where onion would overpower. Salad dressings, vinaigrettes, pan sauces, beurre blanc, reductions, and delicate sautés all rely on shallots for structure without noise. In French cuisine, shallots are foundational. They appear in sauces, stocks, and classic preparations because they build flavor quietly. A sauce made with onion announces itself. A sauce made with shallot supports everything else. In Southeast Asia, shallots are indispensable. They are fried into golden crisps, pounded into pastes, and woven into curries and sambals. Here, their sweetness balances heat and acidity. Texture matters too. Shallots break down evenly when cooked. They do not turn stringy or watery. They integrate smoothly into liquids and fats, which is critical for emulsions and sauces. Nutritionally, shallots resemble onions but with slightly higher concentrations of certain antioxidants. They contain vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and flavonoids such as quercetin. Like other alliums, shallots contain sulfur compounds associated with cardiovascular support and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds soften during cooking, improving both flavor and digestibility. Shallots are low in calories but high in flavor efficiency. A small amount delivers impact, which is why chefs favor them in professional kitchens where precision matters. Agriculturally, shallots are slower and more labor-intensive than onions. They are typically grown from bulbs rather than seeds, planted individually, and harvested carefully. This contributes to their higher cost. That cost reflects intent. Shallots are not bulk vegetables. They are precision ingredients. Storage-wise, shallots perform well. Kept cool and dry, they last longer than many onions. Their skins protect the interior, maintaining quality over time. The biggest mistake people make with shallots is substituting onions without adjustment. Onions require longer cooking and heavier seasoning. Shallots need gentler handling. Overcooking or overusing them flattens their complexity. Another mistake is treating shallots as interchangeable with garlic. Garlic brings pungency. Shallots bring sweetness and aroma. They solve different problems. Shallots are especially powerful in raw applications. Minced finely, they dissolve into vinaigrettes, delivering flavor without texture intrusion. This is impossible with raw onion. Culturally, shallots represent a mature approach to cooking. They are chosen not for intensity, but for control. They are the ingredient of someone who knows what they want the dish to do. They do not shout. They do not linger aggressively. They do not fight other ingredients. They support. They harmonize. They disappear at the right moment. Shallots are not about making food louder. They are about making food smarter.